Hello Shamanettes, I'm Suzanne the Beauty Shaman, and I wanted to just pop on here quickly and share about a skincare oil brand. So it's basically skin oils. It's an eye oil, a face oil, and a body oil from a brand, from a fellow contributor to 60andMe. So those of you who don't tune into 60andMe, it's a wonderful website. I'll put the link down below for women who are over 60. I'm actually 58, but so don't have to be 60, but it's a wonderful resource for older women, from things like fashion and makeup to travel, health, things like that. It's actually phenomenal. So that's how I met. Her name is Sheena Nancy Sarles, and she owns a skincare brand called GYG Organics. Her website is Growing Younger Gracefully, which is where the GYG idea comes from. GYG Organics, Growing Younger Gracefully Organics. And she's a yoga teacher and makes these lovely face oils. So I wanted to share this with you today. So I really enjoy face oils, and Gina's feel and smell really wonderful. So I thought, why not talk to you about this for those of you who really love face oils as well, and body oils, so that you have a great resource to go to. So I don't get any kickbacks for this video, but I would encourage you to go check out Gina's website, and also Margaret at 60andMe, who also has endorsed these lovely oils. All right, so the first product I'm going to talk about is the eye serum. So this is a really small little thing she sent to me, which is fine. This is actually beautiful and it's lovely. And you just take a couple drops, like probably 2 drops is what I use. Rub it between your fingers and tap it around your eye area very gently. And I just use it every day. It just feels really nice. It's created for the delicate skin around your eyes, and it contains ingredients like oils like grapeseed, coconut, almond, avocado, and if I get this name wrong, you can yell at me. It's Helichrysum, and castor oils to nourish, hydrate, protect, brighten, and tone. So it's very easy to use. You can use it morning and night, and very gentle. So I think it doesn't irritate your eyes or get into your eye and cause problems, that sort of thing. So it's very safe to use. It costs $20 for 1/3 of an ounce, which will last you quite a long time if you're only using 1 or 2 drops a day. But I do really like it. I love the smell of these oils. They're just lovely. Okay, the next product I'm going to talk about is the face serum. It comes like this. It's a mixture of organic essential oils like grapeseed oil, vitamin E, lavender, frankincense, again this word, Helichrysum, maybe it's Helichrysum, and rose oils. And it retails anywhere between $39 and $58. So again, you only need a couple of drops of this on your fingers. Smooth it all over your face and neck. And by the way, I always include my neck. When I say face, I mean from here to here. When you put oils or any cream or anything on your face. Like I said, I am 58 years old, and I do use I use a lot of different types of skincare products. I'm an esthetician, so I'm always experimenting. But when it comes to oils, I think what's important is to get oils that are organic, that feel and smell really lovely on your skin. And that's why I'm giving this my endorsement if you are interested in oils. But again, take it all the way down your neck, rub it in very smoothly all over. And you can even use it anywhere else you want, like on your nails and that kind of thing. But now I'm getting ahead of myself because we're going to talk about the body oil next. Okay, her body oil is made with grapeseed oil, coconut, lavender, and rose oil. So it feels very nourishing, it feels very hydrating, and also is quite brightening to the skin. It's great for your skin, hair, your cuticles, and more. I love body oil. This is probably like my all-time favorite thing because I just like to smear it all over and then just lie there and be like, oh my God, I feel like I'm in Egypt and somebody just oiled me all over. It's lovely. Big fan of body oil. And it really does feel nice on your nails. And you can even use it in your hair. If your hair is particularly dry, rub it into the ends. Let it sit there for I don't know, I do it for 30 or 40 minutes and then wash your hair, and it can really help to get some nice hydration into your hair. But in any case, I do love her body oil. It is a lovely fragrance. It's $30. So skin and body oils feel wonderful and delicious, and I do encourage you to check out growingyoungergracefully.com. Her link is down below. Her name is Gina. Please check out all of her products. I think they're really well priced. I think they're really good oils to have in your repertoire if you're really into skincare like I am, or if you just want to feel really luxurious. I think they're just lovely. And she's a great person. She's on 60andMe, so I think it's really important to encourage and support each other in this particular over 60 community, even though I'm not quite 60, but I'm looking at it right now. All right, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.